Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Elementor video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a video background in Elementor that plays automatically when you start scrolling on the page. And when you stop scrolling, it is going to pause the video automatically. And when you start scrolling again, it is going to play the video again. And for this, you don't need to install any third-party plugin. I have already generated a simple working code using Claude. You can put this simple code on any section of your website and add a video background that plays automatically when you scroll on the page. Let me show you an example. Here I have a demo website, and in the background you will see a simple image. It is not a video, it is a simple static image. Now I'm going to start scrolling on this page, and you will see in the background the video will start playing automatically like this. And if I stop, it is going to pause the video. Now I'm going to start scrolling again, and you will see video starts again like this. So you can replace this video, you can add your own video and play the video in the background. And when I scroll down, you will see a new section that appears which does not have a background video, and it overlaps the above section. So I'm going to show you how you can add a video background in Elementor that plays automatically when you start scrolling on the page. So let's see how does this work.
Subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel for easy tutorials on AI tools, AI agents, WordPress, web design, automation, Elementor, WooCommerce, and more. Press the bell icon and stay updated with every new video.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is an Elementor website, and I'm going to create a new page, and I'm going to show you how this works. So let's go to pages, and I'm going to click on add new page. Let's name it as video background, and the template type will be Elementor full width. Click on publish and go to edit with Elementor. So here we have the header section and the footer section. Now we are going to add a new section. Click on the plus sign and click on flex box, add a full column section. Let's go to advanced settings, and here you need to change the Z index of this section to 0, so that the other elements and the other sections that we are going to add inside this section will be overlapping this section. So the Z index is set to 0. Let's go to layout, and here I'm going to change the minimum height to VH 100. Alright, so the VH is set to 100. Now let's go to style settings, and I'm going to add a static image that will be displayed initially. So let's click on classic, click on image, and I have one sample image here. If you do not have it, you can upload the image from here. I'm going to select this image. So this is going to be a background image. Let's change the position to center. Attachment will be scroll, no repeat, and display size will be cover. So this is the section that we have here. This is how it will look. All right, now we are going to add a code. Now let's click on plus sign and search for the widget HTML. Drag it and drop it here. And in this HTML widget, we are going to add a code that I have generated using Claude AI. So this is the code that I have generated. At the top, you will see the instructions, and the code starts from here, video element. So I'm going to start copying from this section. Let's copy it till the end. Let's copy it. In this code, you will see here source and your video URL. You will need to replace this content, your video URL, with the link of your MP4 video. So I'm going to copy this code. Let's go to HTML and enter the code here. All right, here you will see your image URL, which is basically the static image that we are going to add. It is not necessary to change this URL because we have already added that image as a background image. Here we are going to add the link of the video that we want to play in the background. Right, so let's go to pages. I already have a video uploaded. So let's go to media and filter by video. This is the video. Right, you will see it here. This is the video that I want to play in the background. If you do not have it uploaded, you can click on add media file and upload your MP4 video. Make sure that the video file size is minimum so that it will run smoothly. So I'm going to select this video and copy the URL or the link of the video. Let's go back, and here I'm going to replace this text, your video URL, with the link of the video. This is the only code that you need to enter on this section. Right now I'm going to add some. You will see that when I scroll down, it has already started playing the video. Right now I'm going to add more sections. Let's click on plus sign. Let's minimize these sections. Now here you can start adding all the content that you want to add on this page. So this is the section that I want to add. Click on plus sign and add more container inside this container. So I'm going to make it 2 columns. In the left hand column, let's say I want to add a video, and in the right hand side I want to add title and some text. Now I'm not going to customize it. I'm just going to put all the elements. Let's center align it. Let's change the text color. Let's make it white. This one, let's make it yellow. All right, so this is how it will look. I'm going to add background overlay colors so that the text and the other elements will look better. So let's select the entire section again. If I go here to structure, this is the container that we are working on. Go to style settings, go to background overlay and select, let's say, black color, and you will see a slight background overlay color. Now let's add some more sections. I'm going to copy this section from the other page. So let's copy this one. Let's add some padding to the main section. All right, and let's paste the container here. All right, so you will see the same container is there. Let's copy another container. I'm just copying the content from the other page so that I don't need to repeat the same thing. All right, let's copy this one also. All right, so you can add any element. It is not only the heading, image or the text. You can add any element that you want to add on that section. So I'm going to click on publish and let's see how does this look. Click on view page, and initially you will see there is a background image. It is not playing the video. If I scroll down, it will start playing the video like this. Now here, make sure that the header and the footer section Z index is more than 0 so that it will not go behind this video background. If you do not set the Z index for the header and the footer section, it will replace the background of these sections with the video background. Let me show you. Let's go to the page. Let's go to header. Click on edit header. The container for the header. If I go to Z index, you will see that the Z index of this section is 1. It is more than 0. We have 2 sections here, the top section and the menu section. If I go to advanced settings for the top section, the Z index is 1. All right, let's go back. Now we are going to add a new section just below this section. Scroll down and here I want to add a new section. So I'm going to click on plus sign, click on single column. Let's change the background color. I'm going to change it to white, or let's make it slightly pink. Let's go to advanced, add some padding to the top and to the bottom, and the Z index for this one is more than 0, so it will be 1. So let's click on plus sign and let's say I want to add 2 columns here also. In this column, let's say I want to add a form, and here I want to add map. So basically this is a new section that we have added on this page and it is going to overlap the above section. So let's click on publish. Let's go back and refresh it. Let's scroll up, refresh it. So we have an image in the beginning. If I scroll down, it will start playing the video. If I stop, it is going to pause the video like this. And if I scroll down more, you will see a new section there. And the Z index of this section is more than 0. That's why it is overlapping the above section. So it is very easy to add a video background in Elementor that plays automatically when you scroll on the page. If you want the same code, I'll give you the link in the description box that will go to my website. And from the website, you can copy the exact code. You need to start from here and you need to change this your video URL with the link of the video that you want to play in the background. You don't need to go to Claude and ask the Claude to create the code, because I already have a working code created. I started with a simple prompt in Claude. It generated the code initially, and there were many errors in the initial code. We started working on it and fixed the errors one by one. And finally, I got this working code. So if you want to copy the same code, I'll give you the link in the description box. Try it on your Elementor website and let me know in the comment section if that works on your Elementor website. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.